Hi friends, welcome to the next module of the element. Now in this given module we are going to learn about chemical properties of KMnO4, or you can say potassium permanganate. Now if you look at the crystals of potassium permanganate at room temperature, then potassium permanganate is a deep purple color crystalline solid, and when it is allowed to dissolve in water, then it is moderately soluble, or sometimes it is sparingly soluble in water at a room temperature. Now, it has been observed experimentally, the solubility of potassium permanganate is 6.4 gram per 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Now, if this potassium permanganate is heated strongly at about 473 Kelvin, then this purple color compound gets converted to green color crystal. This greenish crystal is of potassium manganate, and along with the potassium manganate you will find MnO2, that is called manganese dioxide. Along with this mixture of potassium manganese and manganese dioxide, it liberates dioxygen gas, that is oxygen gas, and that's why it is acting as powerful oxidizing agent. If this mixture is heated above the 473 Kelvin, I mean to say, this condition is called red hot condition. So at red hot condition you will find the potassium manganate, which is green color crystal, gets converted to K2MnO3, that is potassium manganite. So if you check out the conversion, first potassium permanganate at lower temperature, means at 473 Kelvin, it gets converted to potassium manganate. And this green color crystal, if it is heated above 473 Kelvin, then it gets converted to potassium manganate, and in the same reaction again there is a liberation of what, oxygen. So basically when we are heating KMnO4, it changes different compound, but there is liberation of common dioxygen gas. That's why it can act as a powerful oxidizing agent. Now to the next reaction where we are saying, if the potassium permanganate is allowed to react with concentrated H2SO4 under cold condition. So potassium permanganate, if it is treated with concentrated H2SO4, the potassium, that is alkali metal, forms bisulfite, and manganese forms Mn2O7, which is an oily explosive liquid. It is called as dimanganese heptoxide, or I can simply say that it is Mn2O7. Alkali metal, which is forming bisulfate or hydrogen sulfate, can be written as KHSO4, and also because it's a mineral acid, and in mineral acid always the byproduct is what, water. Next reaction, if you will see, this explosive oily liquid is highly unstable, which is Mn2O7, and which is on slightly warming again decomposes to give manganese dioxide, which is a black color substance, along with the liberation of dioxygen. With warm and concentrated H2SO4, see, in the very first case we are treating KMnO4 with cold H2SO4, but when it is heated with hot H2SO4, then the product is different. In cold condition potassium is forming bisulfate, but here it is going to form sulfate. KMnO4, if it is treated with H2SO4, now to predict the product, first we have to take out the metal from KMnO4. So it is consisting of two metal. Remember, in under hot condition, metal always forms sulfate. So potassium being metal, it is going to form K2SO4, and manganese being metal, it is going to form MnSO4, that is manganese sulfate. Since it is the mineral acid, always the byproduct will be water, and along with it is going to liberate what, oxygen. So acidified KMnO4 under hot condition is used as powerful oxidizing agent. Moving to the next reaction, if you will see, in solid KMnO4, if it is heated in current of hydrogen gas, then it gives potassium hydroxide, MnO, that is manganese oxide, and water vapor. And the reaction, if you will see, potassium permanganate, it is heated with H2, that is hydrogen gas, stream of hydrogen gas, when it is passed, I can say, then it forms potassium hydroxide, which is a very strong alkali, and the formation of MnO, that is manganese oxide, and water vapor. That's all in this model. Thank you very much.
चार चार पाँच पाँच सेक्टर से दिया करा है, वो तैयार दिया करा।